Now, there are different types of water buffalo. Here's a guy. He's right here. See? Look at him. He's a brownish color. And those horns can be about 3 feet, from one tip to the other tip. He's munching away. I wanted to show you the other guys. He's pretty big, or she. And see the bird going for a ride? Nice. This might be an albino water buffalo. In March this year, there was a record set for the albino water buffalo being sold for 2.5 million baht, about $70,000. Taking care of your water buffalo at that price. But the normal ones, which I don't see here, they've all taken off. We'll have to do another. They're at a much lower price. How much do you think a regular old black water buffalo costs? Well, stay tuned for the next session. And we got to get up a little bit closer. Okay? That's all for today.